Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Beth, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video with me. I guess, again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll go over three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure, therefore increasing the value. You have content, backlinks, and citations that are important for any business and any website. The content is what's in the body of your website. Now, understand every time you type something into Google, you're actually typing in keywords, and Google uses these keywords to look for a website that best fits your search for the words you just typed. SEO, search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keyword or words that get typed into search. And then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content in your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Now, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement for your website from another one. Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. You also have citations or referring domains. That is where your business name, address, and phone number is shown exactly as your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, it's highly recommended you build one. It directly connects to your business citations and helps you rank on the maps. This is the map section here. Of course, you know that. And it's relevant to how many times you've searched restaurant near me, business near me, food near me, and the citations linked to your business profile rank in this map area. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, you're more likely to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure. Now, underneath the maps is where the rank structure starts to take place. Aside from advertising like a Yelp or a national AAA, your content and your backlinks and your citations and your keywords start to put you on the first page. Most people don't go past the first page of Google. Honestly, you are looking for something, you want it right then and there. So I know that you don't have a website, but I know that you're in Charleston, South Carolina. So I punched in auto repair Charleston, South Carolina, and I know that you're not here because you don't have a website. But I wanted to show you exactly what the content of things that you need. So I just picked Charleston Auto Repair. It's Honest One Auto Care. They're right there on the first page of Google. And what I can do with their website is I can take it and plug it into this tool that I have, Ahrefs, and it tells me their backlinks, websites linking to another. It gives me their referring domains, citations, and it also gives me the keywords that they're using and how much traffic they're getting from the keywords that they are using. And this is what people see. This generates a lot of exposure. So let's check out backlinks for an example. All the websites that are referring to your website. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you're going to want one with a strong rating. 81, 45, 26, 38, 81. These all refer back to his web page in one form or fashion. That generates like what's the word I'm looking for? Popularity. No, it's like an endorsement. It builds strength, trust. There we go. It builds trust in your business. You have referring domains, citations, name, address, phone number, and the amount of traffic that goes through them. These citations are obtainable to you, just like they are to him. The Chamber of Commerce, extremely powerful, gets a lot of search volume. This is per month, and so that reflects back into his website. It builds strength in him. And let's check out some keywords to give you an idea how that works. And that's relevant to your content, and that's relevant to when people are typing in auto repair Charleston, South Carolina, you want to have specific keywords to get you on the front page and get you exposure. You want customers, you want people to see you. So let's take a look at keywords. Auto repair Charleston, South Carolina, mechanic Charleston, South Carolina. Again, oil change could be Charleston, South Carolina. So these keywords are what you embed into the content of your website, and this is the search volume per month that these keywords are searched. So this is actually the exposure that you are missing. These are potential customers that you don't get to see to increase your revenue, increase your business, your clientele, because you don't have a website and you don't have anything built. It's just a brief example of what it takes to have a website. Once your content and your backlinks and citations, once all that comes together and you start to outrank your competition or your competitors and you start to build value in your business, Google sees that and it moves you upwards onto the front page. And it exposes you and creates more customer base. So it really hurts you to not have a website. With that being said, I wanted to thank you for your time. I hope you can appreciate it. I hope you have a better understanding how important a well-built website is and the value that it can bring to you. If you find yourself wanting some more information, we could talk. I can do some research, find out what would be realistic for you and your business. And I just want to thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon.